Hello racers, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, this could be the start of a new series. What I have here is a Losi Nascar. Now, I'm not going to be the driver of this NASCAR. I'm just the hired hand. I'm just going to be the mechanic to get this ready, help set the car up, and get it ready for the indoor race season. I thought I'd just do a quick unboxing video just so you can see what you get in a new NASCAR box. See, we got a sleeve over the top. This is the DeWalt car, I guess. Let's take a look inside the box. This is a fresh car. I'm not 100% sure what we're going to find. Now, as I say, I'm just the mechanic. Let's take a look here. All right, so in what we seem to have here is the yellow, black number 20. Let's slide the car out of the box. Wow. Here we go. So what we got in the box is the number 20 car. I see the radio here on the side, a little pistol grip radio. Everything is well packaged. There we go. A little pistol grip radio, steering trim, steering rate, a few servo reversing switches on the back. There we go. Let's just put that aside here. You can see it. Now the car. Now let's see what it takes to get the car out of the box. I'm assuming there's a few zip ties in here in the box. We have the batteries for the remote, a small charger for the battery that's in the car, instruction manual, little bind plug. Let's get the car out of its tethers. Here we go. So let's get the box out of the way here. Ta-da! Let's see what it looks like under the body. Now this little body, Toyota. Quite a flat front on it. Little downs spout on the snout. Rear wing. Nice rubbery tires, fresh. Take a look and see what you get installed. I'm expecting to see the battery kind of in its car. I didn't see it yet in the box. And here we go. So out of the box we see everything comes installed. Battery is, oh yeah, I never really noticed that before, that there's a little holder there for the wires for the battery. Interesting. So we got the little battery pack, the LiPo 1400, G2, 30C. We see the antenna on the little car, the radio. And there we go. Let's just double check. Sounds like there's a little bit of shock oil. Oh, this back one here is kind of empty. So there we go, the little car unboxing, fully assembled, fully ready to go from the box to the track, if you so desire. Now, for this video series, my job is to be the mechanic, and another car driver at our club will race it. So if you want to follow along with our series, click like. Subscribe to see the more videos, comments, what you would do to get this car ready for track time. My first video in the series is going to be, I'm going to break the drivetrain in. We race these cars in a box stock setup. The only thing you can change is change out the servo if you need to. You can change the speed control, but you have to use the motor, you have to use the battery, you have to use the car. But in a power restricted class like that, you want it to be able to move as easily as possible. So I'm going to do a video on how to free up the drivetrain, and if you like that, click like on this video. As soon as I get to 100 likes, I'll release that next video. So with that said, that is the Losi race-inspired NASCAR DeWalt version. It's guaranteed tough. We'll see you in the next video.